If you are using Kinemaster for your video editing but still your edits are not looking professional, then this video is exactly for you. Because today I am going to teach you Kinemaster from complete beginner to advanced level step by step. Let's start with the basics like cutting, trimming, music layers and transition, and then gradually move towards advanced features जिससे आप अपनी वीडियोस को मोर क्लीन, स्मूथ एंड प्रोफेशनल बना पाओ। एंड यस, मैं आपको ये भी बताऊंगा कि काइनमास्टर का फ्री वर्जन कहाँ से डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट लर्निंग। First of all, the question is what is Kinemaster? So basically Kinemaster is a mobile video editing application जिसे तुम Play Store या App Store से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो। It is free to download and use, but you need to buy a subscription if you want to use its premium effects, premium sound effects, premium transition and other premium features. और अगर तुम्हें इसका फ्री वर्जन चाहिए तो लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, but I'll suggest you to not download its free version because of the various dates that you know very well. Now let us move towards our next topic, that is Kinemaster's user interface. This is the main screen of the Kinemaster app. At the bottom you can see options like home, mix, create, inbox and me. और ऊपर की तरफ है क्राउन का लोगो which shows subscription details, and right next to it is a YouTube logo through which you can watch simple tutorials by Kinemaster. इसके बाद एक क्वेश्चन मार्क का आइकन है जिस पर टैप करके तुम्हें काइनमास्टर से रिलेटेड सारी एक्स्ट्रा इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल जाएंगी, और फिर आता है स्पीकर का लोगो जिस पर टैप करके तुम देख सकते हो कि नए अपडेट में क्या आया है। एंड फाइनली देयर इज अ सेटिंग ऑप्शन वेयर यू कैन चेक योर फोन्स परफॉर्मेंस, एंड ट्रस्ट मी, डोंट फॉरगेट टू रन दिस टेस्ट टू सी व्हाट वीडियो क्वालिटी योर फोन सपोर्ट्स। एडवांस सेटिंग्स में एक इंपॉर्टेंट ऑप्शन है अलाउ अनलिमिटेड वीडियो लेयर्स। मेक श्योर टू टर्न दिस ऑन इफ यू वांट टू ऐड मिनी लेयर्स इन योर एडिटिंग। और बाकी सेटिंग्स उतनी ज़रूरी नहीं है, बस इनमें वर्जन वाला ऑप्शन काम का है। क्यों, ये मैं आपको आगे बताता हूँ। Now coming back to the home option, here you can see cool videos made by other editors like short clips and reels, and next to it is the mix option which lets you use those clips as ready-made templates. To use them, just tap on mix and you are ready to go. Currently I'm using the free version of Kinemaster, so the inbox and me sections will not show anything until I sign in, which is prevented in the free version. Now comes the main part, the creator option. This is where you make your project. Tap on it and it will ask for a project name. Let's name it our first tutorial. Next is the aspect ratio. Since we are making a video for YouTube, we'll select 16:9. Under advanced settings, you'll see options like fit, fill and auto crop. Just keep it on fit and set the default photo duration to 6 seconds and leave the transition duration as it is. Don't worry, you can always change them later or before editing. Now tap on create and boom, our first project is ready. Before we start exploring the next topic, there's one important thing that you should know is that Kinemaster lets you edit videos in both landscape and portrait mode. So if your interface looks a little different from mine, don't worry. The tools and features are exactly the same, but उनके placement depending on the mode you're using थोड़ी change हो जाती है. In this tutorial, I'll be using landscape mode, but if you are editing in portrait mode, you can still follow along without any problem. Now let us move to our next topic, that is editing interface.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you